Hello everybody and welcome back to my little channel. Today we are doing the new Wendy's wrap. Grilled chicken wrap, that is. Let me get that right. She's kind of messy, but this is what it looks like. Grilled chicken, lettuce, there's cheese in there on a big, giant, I think fairly decent sized wrap. Here goes lettuce, but I'm not too concerned about that, so. I also got the new blueberry pomegranate lemonade. That sounds good as well, so. Let's dive in, give you guys the first bite. This is really good. It could have been wrapped a little tighter, but that's okay. There's all that ranch and chicken and cheese. Let's try the drink. Ow. Let's pull a tooth out while we're at it. Ooh, that's really good. It's really good. Not real tart, not real tangy, just right. I recommend going out and getting one of these. Like I said, it's grilled chicken, cheese, lettuce, and a tortilla wrap. I will definitely get this again. You know, all this excess wrap is little, because here's literally my last bite. There goes Fairlawn's finest. Well, overall, I liked it. I thought it was worth the spend. This lemonade is really, really good too. So, that's all I've got this time around. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay happy, healthy. Peace.